Thank you for watching. What exactly is the AI black box problem? It goes far beyond just explainability. In reality, useless audits and exploding inference costs both come from the exact same root cause. That cause is the lack of a clear, fixed log showing what rules were applied at the very moment of decision. Making up reasons after the fact is simply too late. Without this basic record, auditing turns into retroactive storytelling. Meanwhile, hidden, endless retries cause computing costs to spiral out of control. Today, I will outline the decision log. This is the absolute minimum requirement to solve this crisis and make AI operations work. The failure of so many AI projects comes down to 4 main points. First is the limit of explainable AI. Giving business teams vague hints about a model is not enough. What they really need is to check the exact mathematical thresholds used at that specific moment. Second is the breakdown of audits. Because decisions aren't easily reproducible, humans end up making up plausible stories after the fact. Third is the wrong approach to model monitoring. If we blame accuracy drops only on data shifts, we miss ghost drift. This is the phenomenon where human evaluation criteria themselves change over time. Fourth is the explosion of costs. Allowing, just in case, recalculations without clear rules drives inference numbers sky high. Ultimately, all these problems happen because the boundaries of responsibility were not hard-coded from the start. So, what exactly should we lock down? Instead of getting lost in moral debates, we should hard-code the scope of explainability right into the system. Specifically, we must record 6 core elements in a decision log. First, a root ID to identify the exact rule applied. Next, a model version for the specific model iteration, and a trace key to link inputs to outputs. We also need a reason code for the judgment type, a retry reason for why recalculation happened, and a retry count for total inferences per request. Only with these 6 elements does AI gain a solid backbone of verifiability. The computing cost to log this data is tiny, but the costs of retraining and the risks of blind incident response are the true, massive taxes on AI operations. Using this logging standard clearly sets operational boundaries. Auditing changes from creative writing into a straightforward process of matching data. By mathematically isolating ghost drift, we can clearly decide whether to retrain the model or redefine our rules. Also, by controlling retries at the trigger level, we can stop wasteful inference cycles. The goal is not to force total transparency onto the black box itself. It is to fix the boundaries of judgment up front using clear logs. This is the minimum condition needed to make AI operations truly verifiable. This has been the Ghost Drift Mathematical Institute. Thank you, and see you next time.